Hey guys, today I'm taking you along while I upcycle a piece that I have. This is the piece and this is the price that is showing for online, but I found it in the garbage. It was a different color, and these are the examples that I want to do with my piece. So stay tuned so I could show you how far and how I take on the piece. So enjoy. Guys, today I'm going to show you how I build this out. This is a piece here that I found in the garbage, and I want to turn it into like a meal prep area, or I could use it as a buffet. Then I thought about I could put like a wine cabinet in here. So let me flip it over, because first I want to take the legs off of it, and it actually has wheels. So let me put this camera down and flip it over. So this is how it look after laying it out. So I'm going to go ahead now and take off the wheels. So finish taking off the legs and not really the legs, but the wheels. So now I want to open this up. So I don't even know how is this held together. I don't know. It look like it's glue, but I'm gonna use my hammer. Oh, it was screwed. So I took this out and looked like it was held together with screws, but I don't know, I wasn't the builder. So I'm going to take this part right here out too. Gonna take this loose. So I think that's it for here. If this side is whole with screws, I know the other one is too. So I have to figure out where the other screws are. It might be from the inside, but do I want to do all of that? Let me see. It should be out here. Oh, I could get in here from here. I could get in here from this side. So let's see if we could find the screws. Okay, they're right here on the top. Let me take those out. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this video, and for the most part I will play music just showing you how I took this piece apart, and I end up taking it apart and reframing it, so to make it to my liking, because the examples that I showed you, I want to go ahead and make it with a top piece to it. Thank you. Now that I have taken it apart, I want to go ahead now and just measure the area. I don't think I'll do anything to the bottom. I am gonna go ahead and measure the area for the refrigerator, and I'm gonna also take off the weathered wood right here and use some of the longest pieces to recess this area right here. So I'm going to take this one out. So now I'm going to take away this piece right here to make it stronger. So I'm going to just break it. Just take it apart. I could rebuild it, and I'll just build the top for it using like a heavier wood, like a 2x4 type, and just go ahead and finish it off. So I took the whole piece off, and I'm gonna put this piece right here. This is a piece of free lumber that I got from Lowe's. So let me show you what it's going to look like. Actually, first I think I need to measure the refrigerator. So I measured the refrigerator, and the piece is too short for the refrigerator. So I am going to go ahead and extend the piece about a couple inches so that the refrigerator could recess inside of the little cubby. So one side is going to be for the refrigerator, and then the other side is for like drinks, or even if you want to put like dishes or just entertainment. Just think entertainment. What would you like to have in your entertainment area? And I'm putting this piece under the covered porch. So watch me go ahead and build this out. At the end, I'm going to show you a few other examples, and yeah, come back and let's see what we build together. So guys, I did not want to make the video too long, but this is how far I have gotten with this piece. Come back and I will show you how I built this piece up with even the top to it. I am so excited. The few examples of the piece again, and keep in mind, we're gonna build this together. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching.